Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Reconing Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional looking to repair or restore audio equipment, particularly speakers. This kit provides all the necessary components and materials to bring your beloved speakers back to life, ensuring they deliver the pristine sound quality you remember. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or a budding repair technician, having a reliable Reconing kit on hand can save you a significant amount of money compared to purchasing new speakers and allows you to preserve the integrity of your existing sound system. Number 5. Pro Speaker Reconing Kit. Bring your home and pro audio speakers back to life with this comprehensive reconing kit. It contains everything you need for a professional repair. This kit is specifically designed for home and professional audio speakers. Please note, it is not intended for use with car audio systems. You'll have enough material to fully Recone 2 single voice coil speakers, even those up to 18 inches in size. This product is not suitable for car audio subwoofers. It's built for the demands of larger, professional sound systems. Use the same high-quality components that professional reconers rely on for their repairs. Get professional results in your own shop. This kit comes complete with CA glue and lead wire, ensuring you have all the necessary accessories for a successful reconing job. What we like. This kit is designed for home and professional audio applications, capable of reconing up to two 18-inch speakers. If you're working on your home stereo system or professional sound setup and need reliable parts, this is a great choice. It uses the same high-quality components that professionals trust for their repairs. What people say. I can get parts to repair your speakers. I'm a lifetime customer now. If I need anything for my speakers, I know where to go. It's a lot cheaper to repair a speaker they're replacing. Number 4. MI Combo Speaker Repair Adhesive Reconing Kit. Introducing the MI Combo, your comprehensive solution for speaker repair. This kit provides everything you need to bring your speakers back to life. It includes specialized adhesives for various components. Use the black adhesive for dust caps and lead wires, and the white PVA for cloth edge treatment. Achieve a strong bond for your spider to frame, surround to frame, gaskets, and dust caps with the clear adhesive. It ensures a secure and lasting repair. For critical areas like the voice coil to cone and spider, rely on the included 2-part epoxy. It delivers exceptional strength and durability. The easy-to-use epoxy nozzle applicator allows for precise application, ensuring professional results every time. Work with confidence and achieve a perfect bond. This adhesive kit is designed to be the perfect companion for all your Reconing projects. It simplifies the repair process and guarantees excellent outcomes. What we like. This comprehensive adhesive kit offers a variety of specialized glues for every step of the reconing process, from dust caps to spiders. If you need a versatile and easy-to-use solution for any Reconing job, this kit provides the precision and variety you need. Its included epoxy nozzle applicator ensures accurate bonding for professional results. What people say. This kit contains 4 different glue adhesives for different purposes. The MI 3035 states on tube that it can also be used for attaching surrounds to paper, metal, composite and poly cones, spiders to frame, surrounds to basket and dust caps to cone. The 2-part epoxy can withstand much higher temperatures than other types of adhesives while maintaining a strong bond between a voice coil tubular metal frame and the speaker's cone, paper, composite, metal or poly. Number 3. Pro Subwoofer Reconing Kit. Bring your car audio back to life with this professional reconing kit. It contains everything you need to fully restore a dual voice coil subwoofer. This kit uses the same high-quality products that professional audio technicians rely on for their repairs. You'll have enough material to completely Recone 1 dual voice coil subwoofer. It even includes CA glue and lead wire for your convenience. Instead of buying a new subwoofer, repair your existing one with this comprehensive kit. Get that deep bass back without breaking the bank. Designed for straightforward application, this kit makes subwoofer repair accessible. Get professional results in your own garage. What we like. Tailored specifically for car audio subwoofers, this kit allows you to fully Recone 1 dual voice coil subwoofer. If you're a car audio enthusiast looking to restore the powerful bass in your vehicle, this is the perfect solution. It contains the same professional-grade materials used by experts in the field. What people say. The Reconing Kit includes all the necessary components for a successful repair, making the process straightforward. The instructions provided with the kit are clear and easy to follow, even for those with limited experience in speaker repair. The quality of the replacement parts in the kit is excellent, ensuring the repaired speaker performs like new. Number 2. ORION HCCA 104 RK 10-inch Subwoofer Reconing Kit. Bring your ORION HCCA 104 subwoofer back to life with this complete Reconing Kit. It's designed to restore the powerful sound you love. Featuring a dual 4-ohm configuration and a robust black coil, this kit ensures optimal performance. It's perfect for those seeking that deep, impactful bass. This is a full replacement kit, including the cone and voice coil. You get everything you need for a straightforward DIY installation. The 10-inch polypropylene cone is engineered for durability and superior sound reproduction. Its large 4-inch voice coil handles significant power. With a massive 2000 W RMS power handling, this Reconing Kit is built for extreme audio setups. Experience the full potential of your subwoofer. The field-replaceable design makes maintenance simple. You can easily swap out components to keep your system sounding its best. What we like. This is a complete replacement kit specifically designed for the ORION HCCA 104 subwoofer, featuring a 4-inch voice coil and capable of handling up to 2000 W RMS. If you own an HCCA 104 and need to replace its cone and voice coil, this kit ensures a perfect fit and restores its powerful performance. It's a field-replaceable option for serious car audio enthusiasts. What people say. Amazing product, works great. It was easy to install and sounds fantastic. Number 1. Rockville Destroyer 15D1 Subwoofer Reconing Kit. Experience dependable performance with our USA-made voice coils. They are built to withstand the demands of powerful car audio systems. Get your subwoofer back up and running in no time. It comes pre-assembled with the dust cap, cone, spider, and voice coil for an easy install. This is a complete repair kit that provides everything you need. Restore your subwoofer's performance with all the necessary parts included. This kit is made specifically for the Destroyer 15D115 subwoofer. You can expect an exact fit and consistent sound quality. It's the ideal solution for car audio repair. Bring back deep bass and clear sound to your car audio setup with this essential kit. What we like. Featuring USA-made voice coils and pre-assembled components like the dust cap, cone, and spider, this kit makes installation incredibly straightforward. If you're looking for a hassle-free reconing experience for your Rockville Destroyer 15D1 subwoofer, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for both DIYers and professionals aiming for a quick and reliable car audio repair. What people say. The Reconing Kit was a perfect fit for my speaker. All the parts were included and the instructions were clear. The sound quality after using the Reconing Kit was excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.